Hello guys, welcome to the debug arena. In this video, I am going to show you how you can solve this error. Suppose you are a beginner and are following any React Native tutorial on YouTube and face this error. Then believe me, as a beginner, it will be very difficult for you to identify why this error is occurring. Because this error is nothing but a syntax error, a type of syntax error which even your code editor doesn't identify. So without any delay, let's solve this error. You can see I am here at the React Native project. Here there is nothing but just a view and some text inside that. I am getting this error. So why I am getting this error? In React Native, if you want to show any text on your Android application, then it must be inside a text component. Yes, this is what this error is telling you. Text strings must be rendered within a text component. So remember this. If you want to render any text on your app, just wrap it with the text component like this and just text, and here you can, and now if I save it, it should work. The error should go on. Yes, as you can see here, I am not getting this error. So you have to always remember, unlike React.js, here if you want to show any text, you should wrap it with the text component. The other reason why this error occurs is little difficult, and as a beginner you might not recognize it. So whatever I had told you, let's do that here. I had told you that view, sorry, not this one, view. And whatever text you want to show, just show it inside the text component, and you can see here there is nothing wrong here. Whatever I had told a moment before, that's what I am applying here. Let's save it. And yes, it is showing correct. But now if I give space here and then save again, you can see that I am getting this error again. I don't know why React Native gives this error, as it doesn't follow the concept of indentation, but still this will be very difficult as a beginner. Suppose you have written 50 lines of code and somewhere you had given this just extra space there, then it will be very difficult for you to find out why I am getting this error. So the best practice to avoid this error is to write every new component in a new line. So like this. If you do this, then this you will not face this error again. Or otherwise, you can use a code formatter. Like I am currently using Prettier. Just write your code and press Alt Shift F, and it will format your code. And just save it. Then this error will not appear. In this way, you can solve this error. If you find this video helpful, then like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.